HistoraCoin here. Today, we sail into the story of a king who loved the sea more than his throne and the humble Danish coins that carried his royal mark for more than 20 years. After the Second World War, Denmark was rebuilding quietly and slowly after 5 long years of Nazi occupation. And standing tall amid this recovery was a calm man with the heart of a sailor, King Frederik IX. Before he became king, he served in the Royal Danish Navy. He learned to command ships, face storms, and live among ordinary sailors. When he took the throne in 1947, he brought humility to power, something rare for kings. He was the kind of ruler who waved from a ship, not a balcony. In 1957, the Royal Danish Mint began striking new coins, the Øre series, 1, 2, and 5 Øre. Each coin bore the elegant royal cipher R9 under a crown, simple, proud, and unmistakably Danish. But these coins were more than metal. They were symbols of a nation reborn, a quiet strength shining through bronze. While the world rushed toward modernity, Denmark chose dignity. Imagine a fisherman in Copenhagen in 1960, holding a 1 Øre coin between his fingers, a piece stamped with the same king who loved the sea he worked upon. Frederik often said, "A king must serve, just as a sailor must obey the sea." And he lived by those words. Through economic storms and political tides, he remained steady and strong. When he passed away in 1972, ships across Denmark lowered their flags, not only for a king, but for their captain. The coins from 1958, 1964, and 1967 may seem small or worn, but each carries the story of loyalty, strength, and renewal. They remind us that sometimes the smallest coins hold the greatest history. So, next time you see that tiny R9 under the crown, remember, it's not just the mark of a monarch. It's the signature of a sailor who ruled with calm and courage. This is HistoraCoin, where every coin tells a story.